You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, well, go on. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So guess what? Valentine is coming. Where is your boyfriend? Yes, it's that time again. You don't know anything go. Valentine's Day. The time for lovers. The day for lovers. You see me? And enough. Girl, right, you know, them kind of single. No have no man. And you know why is that? Because the brother moves smarter than them. Because him no want spending money. If you carry you on a dear hotel, nor a dear dinner, nor nothing like that, him just break up with you a few weeks before. You don't know that style. Anyway, all of the lonely ladies them, just kindly find me inbox on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And me fix on the business. Happy Valentine, baby!
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes!
So tell me something, more I know if me ever beg you know next if it's some deep and decent loving.
So that we just hear is Jada Kingdom new song along with the music video. Even though most of the music video me now can play it because it's too explicit, but it's still a pretty good song. The song is entitled Long Term and people, Jada Kingdom come out. So the music video kind of have one little old fairy tale type theme. And the three of them have to fight themselves to gain a spot in a Jada Kingdom art. You know, that special place there. But the song itself kind of describes something different. Because in the song, Jada Kingdom must say, from the moment she see the ombre, she knows say, him a go get the vagina.
From the first time I see you, me no say, you did a go get my pussy. And it was not a mistake.
Nah lie, Jada Kingdom, this is a pretty good song. And the video, it decent as well. Decent. So well done, Jada Kingdom. Me definitely sure say, little more from this. Some baby I go make to that song, yeah. Baby I go forward out when. But November, so.
So you need this long term.
So let's take a look at Popcaan new music video for the song entitled Promise of the Vanquish mixtape.
If you fall already, I'm here for you. I'm here. Promise.
So now we know at least one of the reasons why Popcaan was in Africa. Because clearly, yes, you see Africa, the music video they shoot. The song they don't have a little African kind of Afrobeat style to it. So this music video shoot at Africa, it just put the finishing touch on the music itself. You see me? So good look Popcaan, good look. I like the song and honestly one of my favorite songs on the album, on the mixtape. Well, whatever it is, you know, me call it album, but him call it a mixtape. So Popcaan, big up yourself.
Now, get you mislead. Loving on me heart, you feel receive. You will be able to cute like a mixed breed.
So next music video we are going to take a look at is from Ding Dong and the song is entitled Watch Them on the Aircraft Rhythm, produced by Chimney Records. Take a look.
Me no want none of them up to deferate me. I be a bad man thing I go on lately. Me by the beam of them start move shaky. No a long time them a pre-man neatly. When you did broke you and everybody alright. Start make little money now.
So right now Ding Dong find it because this song is currently sitting on number 1 and trending, and it got number 1 in less than 24 hours. So Ding Dong and the entire Romish team, well done. And then again, you know, me can't left out Chimney Records because this rhythm, when you Aircraft Rhythm, probably be one of the best rhythm for this year. And even though the rhythm released last year, it still can roll over in this year and be the best rhythm. Because for me still, it probably be one of the top 3 contenders for best rhythm of the year for 2019. People, the rhythm bad. But enough about me talking about the rhythm. Make we talk about Ding Dong. Watch them.
A good look of food still, isn't it? Real hard.
One step. What do you know? That's
Can I ask that man what kind of question that dog?
So right now, Ding Dong just teach we the definition of bad mind. Cause the most bad mind in the umbre there. Yo, the man get a job, just get a job, and him not happy for him none at all. I mean, you can't say the little hypocrite heel we Quadra Dan did a talk about. You see me? When him forward round and out of nowhere, him a go ask him for a spliff. Now, every Jamaican people know say you know fi to take spliff from anybody because you have a little thing when him lizard tail. One drop of it, you're mad. Not even Bellevue can bring you back.
I know everybody run a reel, watch it soup to them. Them a clap and while you're dead, them soup to Fred. No matter where you do, them say you never do for that. You know rate me, say where you want do yesterday.
No, on a big man level, I don't want you to take this song as no joke, because definitely it's not a joke. Enough people who we have around we and claim say them are we friend, them is not a friend. Them just a undercover enemy. I wait for the perfect time. Fit here we down. And busy signal it, don't tell we already, you know. We not going down. All the off and them a frown. Anyway, people, you no need to pay close attention to the surroundings.
And draw me out, me no weed I chalice. So when you stacking up the bricks like London, watch you a come round, you watch you a shake on. Watch you a pour your gym, enough of them a pagan. Them not feel me no dog, them a waste man.
See there, the poor youth we just a try make it in a life, you know? Him get a little job and him a try do good for himself. I try make him mother proud. I try feed him family. And you have bad mind round there, so I try lizard tail the man spliff. All you, move from there. So right there and then, him just get where the duck get. Because guess what? When them a plan, when a devil a plan, gotta wipe. And it look like say, the spliff wipe and going at the wrong hand. Because the brother they definitely never did forget the spliff. Me I telling the people, even though this is a music video, are the exact thing I go on out of earth there, are the exact thing I go on in a life. So people, when you watch your friend them, watch them keenly, you know. Me not say you for pre all our friend them because all our friend them are some bad friend or not like that. But sometimes you just have to be aware. Don't let your guards down. You see me? No one go on. That's what things say. Just watch them.
Me no want none of them up to deferate me. I be a bad man thing I go on lately. Me by the beam of them start move shaky. No a long time them a pre-man neatly. When you did broke you and everybody alright. Start make little money now.
Someone wanna tell me wanna think about that song and the song we discussed today. And people, me nah cut yet. Me I go leave with some skits. Some skits from our Jamaican comedian, you know, the whole Valentine's Day saga something. So them do some skits on it. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if it's the first time checking out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. Oh, I'm not really gone yet, so watch this.
John, I'm broke, you know. It's Valentine's Day stupidness. Yo, bro, God, what go on? Watch I know. You know Valentine's Day I come up, dog. Alright now, brother, I'm broke. You see me? So one you do more, you text me girl up on her next number and tell her, say, yo, me like what did go on over there? I want to see her again. You see me? I go tell her when to send it, you know. You see me? Dog, I'm broke, dog. You see me? We just want to create a little argument or something, dog. You see me? So just do the do. You see it?
You know, easy in the dog. Alright.
Yo, watch I know. Send it now, bro. Send it now. Me like what did go on over there? I want to see her again. Baby, you see you! Jesus Christ! I don't think I'm going with. No, it can't work. What for? What this? No, come on, it can't work. You got to go now.
We can't fix this.
No, we can't fix it the 15th. But for now, you got to go. You got to leave right now. Boy, you can't believe you're wicked.
Me no want none of them up to deferate me. I be a bad man thing I go on lately. Me by the beam of them start move shaky. No a long time them a pre-man neatly. When you did